Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch Baby Monster Forever music video. So hindi ko pa napapanood yung music video teaser nito, kaya super excited na ako dito sa music video. So hindi ko na ito patatagalan. Let's start! Oh my gosh! Ito kaagad!
Okay, alright, okay. Baby Monster.
Eh!
Got no worries on my mind. 난 멈추지
Asa agad!
So you can say goodbye. Fulfill my fantasy, and you can watch and see. 박수는 쳐보지. Push up. They say she looking flawless. I know. 타고났지 like that. She's so like go like that. 여기저기 다 너니 가나 따라 마바사가지. Gotta go so say la vie. I'm dancing in the moonlight.
Grabe talaga yung vocals ni Chiquita.
Can't stop this feeling all night. What you waiting for?
Wow!
Baby, it was a dream. You thought I was yours. 멋대로 착각하지 마. It's bittersweet. 저 하늘 높이 I'm
Gusto ko itong part ni Ramen ni Ayon. Like yung lyrics and yung beat. Wow! Fashion show.
Okay,
Wow.
you know what it is. I'm the nice. 먹고 같은 너와 내 차이.
What?
Pull up on me, pay the price.
Yung outfit!
Put a million on rock my type. Never seen it in your life. 예뻐 그러니까 바빠 아니 나빠 온 세상 우리는 bad girl. B-A-B-Y-M-O-N. Get money.
Hey, get that money.
짜리 everybody get down. Rough up in the with the motor running. Body 발끝까지 rhythm touch keep
Oh
it
my
짜리
God.
everybody get down. Rough up in the with the motor running. I'ma give you something but you put the money in the bag. I'm dancing in
Wow! Sobrang amaze ako lagi sa rap part ni Asa. Like, ang bilis. Like, basta. Of course, because Ayon. Ito, itong part na to, ang ganda. Grabe naman yung mga princess na yan. Wow!
세상이란 벽을 넘어서 넌 nothing can stop me now.
The vocals.
We forever, 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 ever, ever.
Eh! Wow, Rami! Ayon! Oh my God! The ad-libs. Eh! Oh! Princess Parita? With her, ano ba, with her best friends. What? Ang ganda ng ano, ng beat. Parang iba siya sa Butter Up at saka sa Sheesh. Pero, ewan ko, nagagandahan ako sa kanya, in fairness. Lalo na doon sa part nung parang pre-chorus ba yun? Ang cute ni Ravi, may headband. And then the Baby Monster box. Literal na ano, princess treatment. Parang need ko pa siyang panoodin ulit kasi parang hindi pa siya nagpa-process sa akin. Wait.
Alright, okay.
Ang ganda nung set.
Okay, alright.
Parang sarap tumira dun. rapper siya ha, pero grabe yung ano niya, yung voice. Pag hindi nagra-rap. Ganda rin Chiquita. Let's go, Rona. Rapper ayon.
So say la vie. I'm dancing in the moonlight. Can't stop this feeling tonight. What you waiting?
Ganda ni Sarita. This one, this part. Oh my gosh, ayun. Ma-finalize kasi yung bias ko talaga. Ang hirap pumili. Grabe, gaganda!
Okay, you know what it
That
is.
Runaway.
Nice. Pull up on me, pay the price.
Pay the price.
Put a million on rock my type. Never seen it in your life. Yeah, but 그러니까 바빠 아니 나빠 어서 상거리 the back girl. B-A-B-Y-M-O-N. Get money. Body body 밖에까지 rhythm touch.
Hey, let's go Chiquita.
I'ma give you something special. Put the money.
Excited na ako makita yung ano, yung choreo. Black na diba ulit siya? Black na rin. Oh, this part.
세상이란 벽을 넘어서 넌 nothing can stop me now.
Hey, the wing.
Forever, forever, ever, ever.
Like si Ahin at si Rami. Grabe, pwede na maging model silang lahat. Like the way they walk. Ganda. Wow. They're cute, ano, laugh. So, ayan, in fairness, ang ganda, kahit di ko napanood yung music video teaser, super ganda ng ano, ng beat. Yung yung parang bago mag-chorus na part ba, basta yung part ni Rami and ni Chiquita dun sa second part. Grabe yung ano, yung lyrics, and then yung rap part. Grabe, like, yung mga high notes ni Rami and ni Ayon. Grabe talaga yung presence nila kahit sa music video. Makikita mo yung presence nila, yung charisma nila, like yung visuals, syempre yung vocals, pero ayun nga, grabe yung set din, ang gaganda, and yung outfits nila, maganda yung beat. Ayun nga, parang may LSS agad ako dito kasi ayun nga, favorite ko yung part ni Rami at saka ni Chiquita. Like, super excited na akong panoodin yung dance practice nito kasi gusto ko mapanood yung whole choreo and yung flow ng dance nila. So, ayan, super excited na ako doon. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong!